In a previous video, I showed you this crochet edging for my project, which is coming soon. But did you know it also helps when your fabric curls or just ugly edges? You can hide them. Let me show you how. Hey, it's Denise from LoomAhead.com. Let's begin with a slip knot. Wrap the working yarn around your finger. It creates an X, and the loop that's on the finger, take it off. And then you're going to take the working yarn that's behind and with your finger push it through that existing loop to create a new one. Pull up and tighten the yarn and it will create a knot. And now you're going to take your crochet hook and feed it through that loop, tighten the knot, and now take that hook to the corner of your fabric. And you're going to insert it through the loops in the corner like this. Then get the working yarn and you're going to wrap it around your crochet hook and create a loop that you're going to feed through that yellow one right there, you see? So wrap the working yarn, scoop it, and feed it through that loop. Now you have two loops on your crochet hook, and you're going to wrap the working yarn around your crochet hook and feed it through those two loops. And there you have it. You're going to do that again. Take your crochet hook, feed it into the next loop of the existing fabric, and then wrap the working yarn around that crochet hook and feed it through that loop. You now have two loops on your crochet hook. Grab another one with the working yarn and feed that third loop through the existing two, and there you go. Alright, do that a few more times just so you could see. I like a larger version, and this is what I do. I wrap and have two loops on it before I feed the hook through to get my third loop. I have three. I wrap and I feed through. See? It's a bit of a larger version, but I like the look of it better. So you can use either one, whatever is preferable, and just go around all of your fabric. Some of the edging is going to look a little funny, and you're going to have to work on getting your crochet hook through the fabric nicely. But once you've gone around all of your fabric, you're on your last one. You go ahead and create that edging, and then all you have to do is look at your awesome work that you did. Loop one more to end it. Get your scissors, and you're going to cut the excess yarn. Leave enough because you need to feed that. You're going to need to weave your ends. So leave just enough to weave your ends. And there you have it. Now you can use a needle to weave your ends. I use the crochet hook. So I go back to that last one that I did, which leaves kind of like a funky little edge, and I feed the yarn through. And I'm going to go until I feel comfortable in one direction. And then personally, when I weave my ends, I then do the last one in the opposite direction. And so that's what I'm doing here. And once you feel comfortable enough, get your scissors, cut that excess yarn, and you're done. Just weave in the other one. There you go. How's that? No more curling, and your edges look good. At least I think so. Alright guys, come back for the next project.